In this session, we are going to start the topic 2 of Unit 1, that is, contributions and challenges to organizational behavior. Contributing disciplines to the organization behavior field are psychology. Psychology has perhaps the first influence on the field of organizational behavior because it is a science of behavior. A psychologist studies almost all aspects of behavior. Sociology. Sociological concepts, theories, models, and techniques help significantly to understand better the group dynamics, organizational culture, formal organization theory, and structure and intergroup behavior. Social psychology. Social psychology deals with many of the same phenomena but seeks to explain whole individual human interaction and how human cognition influences culture and is influenced by culture. Economics. Economics contributes to organizational behavior to a great extent in designing the organizational structure. Transaction cost economics influences the organization and its structure. Anthropology. The main aim of anthropology is to acquire a better understanding of the relationship between the human being and the environment. Anthropologists contribute to study some aspects of organizational settings, similar values, comparative attitudes, cross-cultural analysis between or among the employees. Political sciences. Political scientists study the behavior of individuals and groups within a political environment. They contribute to understanding the dynamics of power centers, structuring of conflict, and conflict resolution tactics, allocation of power, and how people manipulate power for individual self-interest. Now, let's begin challenges and opportunities. Globalization. Challenge offered is global competition, but the opportunity is development of new behaviors. Advanced information technology. Challenge. Impact on organization's structure. Opportunity. Knowledge creation and sharing. Employee empowerment. Challenge. Efforts and expense. Opportunity. Distribution of responsibility. Work-life balance. Challenge. Conflicts and stress. Opportunity. Better designing of workplaces and jobs. Declining loyalty. Challenge. Confidentiality. But opportunity is motivation in team. Temporariness brings short-term stability, but also learning to live with unpredictability. Work diversity brings cultural backgrounds and prejudices, but addresses the individual differences to ensure efficiency, innovation, and retention. Time pressure brings with itself ethical dilemmas, but also promotes teamwork and coordination.